Oh, okay. In my previous video, I went ahead and finished up the electrical wiring and everything for my second battery, my inverter, my charge controller, and all that stuff. But today I'm going to be installing this NOCO GCP2. So this is basically a 15/20 amp pass-through for my shore power hookup. This will be going on the outside, just standard. Plug in your standard extension cord to that, and on the inside it'll have these two piggybacks, these standard outlet pigtails here, and I'm going to be using to plug in this NOCO Genius battery charger here. So this battery charger is a little old. I've had it for a while and never really used it, so I'm going to repurpose it and add it into my electrical system for a shore power charger. And it has 4 leads coming off for 4 batteries, but I went ahead and just put 2 leads on this battery and 2 leads on this battery. These batteries should be more than capable of handling the amperage of this charger, so we should be fine. And it just has a standard plug, so I'm going to plug that into the pigtails once I drill it. I already measured this out. I think I measured it properly, accounting for the floor thickness and everything, and I judged the corner as best I could. But if my markings are correct, this hole should come through right about here, and which is good because that's about where I want it. You know, I can plug it straight in to there, and it'll be all over here with the other electrical equipment. And in the future, I'm going to build a wall here and kind of encase this in so you can't see it. Okay, so this is the spot here that I measured out, and hopefully that comes out right there where we thought it would on the inside. Just to test it out before. So this is what we're going to use to drill the hole. It's a 2-inch hole saw by Lennox. I'll link this below if y'all want to pick one up, but it has pretty good instructions. It recommends this 2-inch hole saw. But before I drill this big hole, I'm going to drill a little pilot hole just to see where it's going to come out on the other end. Well, that didn't work. So I'm going to start from the inside. This is probably not the best way to go about this, drilling a bunch of holes into the camper, but I have a feeling that I'm close. So I think the other hole may have came in just behind this piece of trim. So my measurements were a little off. So I'm going to move it over here. As long as it's not more farther this way, I think I'll be fine. I'm going to try drilling it. See, we got 2 inches, top, inch down, center. Let's try it right there. So this is my original hole, and that's where this one came out. So yeah, it's pretty far off, but you know what? That right there is going to be perfect. Now I was hoping I was close enough to where even though there's 2 holes, when I drill out the actual hole saw hole, it would, you know, overlap this hole, but that's not the case, so I'm going to have to seal that one up. All right, hold on, sweetie. So because of the thickness of the wall, or the fact there's such a thick gap in between here. I got to notch out the bottom here just a little bit because the cord kind of runs down at a 45-degree angle. Doesn't come straight out the back. I got this bit here. I've had this for a while. I'm not sure what it's called, but according to NOCO, this should seal up on its own without any additional sealant. It's got this rubber gasket going around and 3 screw holes, so I'm going to put these in. It comes with 3 self-tapping screws. There we have it, shore power. This is the final install. Not the prettiest, boy, she gets the job done.